Hi, Leanne here, and today I'm going to review this Superyard baby gate. I'll tell you what I like and what I don't like about it. So this gate comes with 8 panels in different rainbow colors, and you can use as many of them or as few of them together as you would like. It's very versatile. So for example, I could just take 2 of these panels, unattach them, and then block off 1 doorway. Or I can make a shape to represent 34 square feet of baby play area if I made an octagon. To switch the panels, let me show you here. You're gonna wanna make sure this spring-loaded gray piece is on the bottom, and then you pull up and it comes apart. And then same thing to return it, you're just gonna apply a little pressure to the bottom piece and that'll fit back into place. So, another thing I wanna show you about this gate, it's gonna be loud for a minute, hang on. It does fold up nicely and it comes with a carrying strap. So you can loop the carrying strap through here and you can grab it by the handle, and then it's pretty easy to transport. You know, the only thing that I don't like about this is I have to put a little bit of force sometimes into moving the pieces, but once I get it down and once I learn it, it's pretty simple to use. You can use this inside or outside. It's been so good for us when our kids were really little, and it's also nice that it's rainbow colored and bright. It's easy to clean, and it's been a product that's helped our family keep our kids where we need them to be.